Guys, I think my files are already downloaded, so let me go to the download folder. Yeah, so they are downloaded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these two folders and I will paste them inside my A directory, and I'm gonna unzip first. Okay, let's do that. Let's do first second zip file. Okay, so let's go to this directory, then click on this set of file. Let me close this folder. So let's see what will happen. It will take a little bit time, guys, so keep your patience. Oh, I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's see. Oh, come on. Come on, hurry up. Okay, here we go. Okay, so are you sure you want to continue? Yeah, yes. So let's see what will happen next. I don't want to do anything, so I will uncheck this and hit next. Even I don't want to provide email, yes. So in my case, I am going to create and configure a database. So let's select first option and hit next. So in my case, I'm not installing server, so I will select desktop class, hit next. Okay, so my Oracle based directory will be a.app. That's fine, a.app. So I'm gonna install Oracle Enterprise Edition. That's fine. So we need to take care of this Oracle global database name. In my case, I will put it Oracle ORCL, and as administrative password, I'm gonna type Raz. So in your case, you can select one for you. So remember this global database name and your administrative password, because we will require this thing in order to log into our database later. So hit next, yes, continue, finish. So this will install your LabNG on your machine.